Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, go into the quick settings and click and hold to Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. Then disable and enable it again to refresh. Then click the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi, then disconnect and forget. Wait a couple of seconds and then try to connect once again. If it's still not working for you, then you need to restart your phone and the router. And as you can see, it's working. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.